Can you give us an idea of how management can support workplace activism in a constructive way?
To support workplace activism and to be constructive about it, you have to allow for people to experiment with new work practices or policies, some of which may not succeed. And the difference here is, how do we treat the ones that did not succeed? And it's the policy of promoting experimentation over the policy of seeking results. And when you allow people to experiment for experiment's sake, results will come. But if you are just looking for people to take safe bets, you will not then encourage the creativity or the boldness of vision that is required to genuinely promote a healthy culture of workplace activism.